Asmaa is with us. She is an MSc student in the School of Human Nutrition. And she's going to be talking with something that will probably be a little more familiar to lots of us, and that's diabetes. So with that, I will pass the floor to you. Asmaa, take it away.
Remember the last time you ate a candy. You swallowed it, the sugar broke down into glucose, which got transported to your blood and then to your cells. For your cells to take in that glucose, your pancreas released insulin. All is good. But when your pancreas cannot produce insulin, the glucose stays in your blood and causes inflammation. This can lead to kidney problems, blindness, and limb amputations. This is the reality of people living with type 1 diabetes. Although these complications can be prevented by mimicking the physiology of people living without diabetes, their incidence is still high. And the challenge remains because finding effective treatments only answers a first facet of a twofold problem. The other aspect is ensuring the applicability of these findings and their integration in different lifestyles. And this continues to be problematic. Now, bear in mind that these treatment regimens require lifelong behavior changes. And as difficult as that must be, let's take it a step further and think about youth. How do adolescents manage diabetes on top of the biological, psychological, and social challenges that are unique to this age group? Youth are unfortunately heavily impacted by this condition. Given that most young people turn to apps and websites as a first solution, our research aims to uncover if technology could induce behavior change. Following a qualitative approach, we want to determine the needs of youth in their diabetes self-management from a dual perspective, youth themselves and the healthcare professionals working with them. We then want to address those needs through behavioral change techniques that can be integrated and reflected in the design of an online platform through its features and content to make it a one-stop solution for youth for their diabetes self-management. A pilot clinical trial over 6 months will then be conducted to evaluate if the use of such platform improved diabetes self-management by looking at glycemic targets and self-reported measures of diabetes management. And the search for a cure is ongoing. Stem cell transplants, cell regeneration, artificial pancreas, something else. Finding a cure for diabetes remains a hope to attain. But until then, youth are struggling daily to manage their diabetes, and we believe that behavioral change technology can be an immediate help for these youth in navigating diabetes one click at a time. Thank you.